Sports Lessons live from the kickoff of Coast Guard Festival here in Coast Guard City, USA. It is a beautiful evening. The band has taken a break from its sound check from earlier, so we'll give you your forecast music free this half hour. Let's take a look at the 13 weather ball. It is red, warmer weather ahead for the weekend, back into the 80s in most areas. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. How about our dog walking forecast? Meet Abby. What a cutie. Kyla, you could take Abby out for a walk, an evening walk, green paw for that entire time period. We'll fall into the 50s early in the morning. Should be gorgeous. Green paw for all of your outdoor activities. Out on the lake today, we have seen 2-foot waves, but nothing but sunshine. Boaters going up and down the channel here this evening. I'm sure it's going to be a very busy night and a busy weekend. Looks like the waves from 2 feet will come down to nearly calm tonight as skies remain clear. Winds will be light and variable. In fact, they'll go offshore towards daybreak, and then a beautiful day here tomorrow. Water temperatures 70 plus from Grand Haven northward and mid and upper 70s further to the south. Solar energy being created here tomorrow, even more than today. Nothing but sunshine across the board, and our green energy report winds up with trying to generate some wind from energy from the wind. Yeah, it's going to be a very light and sunny weather pattern here tomorrow. A few fair weather cumulus clouds inland today, but downwind of the Great Lakes, we get the clearing out thanks to the more stable environment. We're going to stay clear here tonight. Hour by hour, we are going to see these clear skies overnight, and we'll repeat the clouds returning inland during the day tomorrow. So kind of on and off, partly cloudy skies from time to time, but again, lots of sunshine throughout the day. And even on Sunday, there'll be an area of some clouds that pass well to our south. Now, towards early next week, we put in a very small chance of a shower that will come our way during the day on Monday, but it's a very slim chance. Temperature-wise, we're going to climb out of the 70s into the 80s away from the lakeshore tomorrow. 83 here in Grand Rapids, 84 on Sunday, and into the mid-80s on Monday. You'll notice the humidity level starting to go up a bit on Monday. It will really roar in Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Looking farther ahead, this is August 6th through the 12th. This is the second week of August. Still high chances that we will see warmer than average readings. And in terms of rainfall, high chance that will continue to be dry here in West Michigan during that 7-day period. Forecast though for tonight, clear skies, beautiful evening. Still be able to have those windows open. Temperatures in the mid and upper 50s north, around 62 there in Muskegon, 60 in Holland southward. Up north, you'll drop into the mid 50s with a light wind becoming nearly calm by daybreak. Lots of clear skies also here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Highs tomorrow, or overnight lows I should say, will be in the mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Advertise 83. We'll do better than that on most of the next 10 days. We did put in that chance of a few very widely scattered showers on Monday. Nothing to cancel any plans over. It'll be a humid day. Coolest will be Tuesday, and then next Wednesday also have a few showers in the forecast. Those might be leftovers from thunderstorms the night before that may move off to the north. Low 90s Wednesday and Thursday, and very humid as we get into next weekend. Highs in the upper 80s. Wow, beautiful weather for Coast Guard Festival.
It is great. Thank you, George.
Day here in Grand Haven as the Coast Guard Festival 2022 has kicked off. They've been running the musical fountain back to the back here. Not the music, but the fountain anyway from time to time. And we're gearing up for live entertainment later on this evening as Juliet Dragus will be here a little bit later on. I'm coming out here next Wednesday. Let's take a look at your weekend ahead. 13 weather ball is red, and that means warmer weather ahead without the humidity. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. High temperatures today in the mid and upper 70s here at the lakeshore. As you get away from the lake with a west wind, it's a little bit warmer. Made 80 in Kalamazoo and 78 here in Grand Rapids. That is a bullseye because we forecast 78 today. We've done 3 of those in a row and 14 days that we've been within 3 degrees of our forecast high. For those visitors, we measure ourselves every day to see how accurate we can be. Now, if you're going to do any grilling here tomorrow afternoon, you can expect partly cloudy skies in the inland areas, sunny here at the lakeshore. Temperatures will be a few degrees warmer, climbing up into the low 80s. We did have some of those fair weather cumulus clouds develop away from Lake Michigan. What Lake Michigan does is it just kind of stabilizes the ground so we don't get that heat building up and creating the clouds like there is over in the eastern part of the state. We did have a cold front go through a day and a half ago. That is now settled down in Pennsylvania. Along that front, there has been flooding rains in portions of Kentucky and earlier this week in St. Louis area. Upper level winds driving the weather patterns. We've had that cool weather for the last couple of days, at least cooler than average. But look what happens here next week. Starting after Tuesday, we'll see the weather patterns change just a little bit, and that big bubble of heat and eventually some humidity moves on in for the middle to latter part of the week, and we'll have an extended period with very high humidity and very warm, if not hot, temperatures, and that will be just in time for all of Coast Guard Week, and there are very few chances of seeing any meaningful rain. Long range outlook, this comes out every Friday for week 3 and 4. This starts August 13th through the 26th. Looks like the warm air is going to push back to the west. We'll have an equal chance of warmer or cooler temperatures during that 2-week period. That'll be great for 2 days. And in terms of precipitation, because the storm track is so far away from us, we have the highest chance of seeing less rainfall during that 2-week period. And we usually get about 1 1/3 inches as well. Forecast for tomorrow, though, nothing but sunshine here at the lakeshore. Look for temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80 in Ludington and Hart. Low 80s, Muskegon, Grand Haven, Holland, southward, a little bit cooler down in South Haven. Inland, there will be some afternoon cumulus clouds developing, not unlike today. Highs will be in the low 80s. Winds will be more around to the south and southwest. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, highs right around 83, maybe as warm as 84 in Kalamazoo, with sunshine at the beaches, partly cloudy skies inland. 13 on your side forecast. The only real chances of rain, and there are going to be just a couple of showers possible now on Monday as it gets a little bit more humid, and then the heat humidity move in on Wednesday. There'll be some departing showers early in the day on Wednesday, perhaps moving north. We'll be in the low 90s and close to 90 and very humid next Friday and Saturday and the following Sunday.